सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो लिंक्डइन है हमारे पास एक B2B प्लेटफॉर्म है। B2B स्टैंड फॉर बिजनेस टू बिजनेस प्लेटफॉर्म। लाइक जो बिजनेसेस हैं, जो हायरिंग कंपनीज हैं और जो उनको जो प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, जो वॉलंटियर्स प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, दोनों के दोनों कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली बिजनेस टू बिजनेस ऑन लिंक्डइन। सेकंड थिंग हमारे पास जो मैंने डाटा कलेक्ट किया है वो है 675 मिलियन प्लस यूजर्स इसके ऊपर हैं और 260 मिलियन प्लस एक्टिव यूजर्स हैं और इसका टारगेट है 3 बिलियन प्लस यूजर्स का और 9 बिलियन कंटेंट इंप्रेशन एवरी वीक आते हैं। तो 9 बिलियन कंटेंट इंप्रेशन जो एवरी वीक आते हैं, इसको मतलब इंक्लूड करने का क्या रीजन था, ये मैंने इसलिए बताया ताकि आपको ये पता चल सके कि जो आप कंटेंट प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, जो भी आप पोस्ट डाल रहे हैं, उसका रीच क्या होने वाला है। सो 9 बिलियन इंप्रेशन that's a huge amount of data is seen every time और like इस ऐप पर लोगों का एक्टिविटी बहुत ज्यादा है। अगर आप इसके ऊपर अपनी रीच, अपना ऑडियंस क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, देन इट्स अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म। शो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड दिखाना। और लिंक्डइन हमने चूज क्यों किया, मतलब लिंक्डइन बेसिकली क्या हेल्प करता है, हमारा लीड जनरेशन में हेल्प करता है और एक्सपोजर बढ़ा देता है हमारा। जो एज अ प्रोफेशनल अगर आप अपना एक प्रोफाइल बिल्डअप करना चाहते हैं, देन लिंक्डइन इज द मोस्ट हाई रेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म टू बिल्ड दैट लीड प्रोफेशनली। देन आता है हाई लेवल ऑफ क्रेडिबिलिटी। हमारे पास और भी काफी सारे प्लेटफॉर्म हैं, बट जो क्रेडिबिलिटी जो है वो लिंक्डइन का सबसे ज्यादा मतलब रैंक किया गया है। तो इसकी क्रेडिबिलिटी बहुत ज्यादा है। अगर आप किसी से भी कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, देन फेक प्रोफाइल का होना बहुत ज्यादा लेस है यहाँ पर। देन शो ऑफ अकम्पलिशमेंट, यानी कि अगर आप कोई भी चीज अकम्पलिश करते हैं, जैसे कि लाइक आप कोई कोर्स आपने कंप्लीट किया है या आपने कोई नया जॉब लिया है, देन यू कैन शो ऑफ दैट इन ऑन। फिर आपका फिल्टर का रिजल्ट इन्हें की अगर हम देखें, मैं एक बार लिंक्डइन प्रेजेंट करना।
ओके, इज इट विजिबल नाउ?
यानी कि यहाँ पर जो भी हमारे पास अगर हम जॉब प्रोफाइल सर्च करते हैं तो हमारे पास फिल्टर करने का ऑप्शन मिलता है हमको। यानी कि अगर आप एंट्री लेवल पर हैं, इंटर्नशिप लेवल पे हैं, तो वो एक चीज बहुत ज्यादा सुटेबल है कि आप किस भी लेवल पे हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप चूज कर सकते हैं कि कौन सा जॉब प्रोफाइल सबसे आपके लिए बेस्ट होगा। एक बार जॉब प्रोफाइल के अंदर वो सर्च करके दिखा दो।
Like, see, you can see that I'm mostly interested in web development. So when I open the job platform, it by default show me is web development and basically web development related content only. And you can also see that it actually suggests some searches which I'm interested in. Like you can see that everything is like about web developer only. So it gives you a very personalized experience. So that's why it's the best platform to search job. And also it gives you guidance to improve your resume also.
देन आता है क्वालिटी बिजनेसेस। क्वालिटी बिजनेस का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या हो जाता है कि यहाँ पर एक तो अभी हमने देखा कि 260 मिलियन प्लस यूजर्स हैं, तो और एक्टिव यूजर्स हैं, तो जो आपको बिजनेस क्वालिटी मिलता है, यानी कि ऐसे बिजनेस मिलते हैं आपको जो कि रिसेंटली ग्रो कर रहे हैं। तो रिसेंटली ग्रो कर रहे हैं तो आपको एक ऐसे बिजनेस का पार्ट होने का मौका मिलता है कि एक्टिव है उस टाइम पे और उस टाइम पे लीड जनरेट कर रहे हैं। तो दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दैट। फिर आता है हमारे पास हाउ टू चूज द प्रोफाइल पिक्चर। प्रोफाइल पिक्चर जो है, इसको प्रोफाइल पिक्चर के बारे में लोग ज्यादा क्या करते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा सीरियसली नहीं लेते हैं, बट प्रोफाइल पिक्चर काफी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट हो जाता है आपकी प्रोफाइल का। लाइक यहाँ पर हमने तो एग्जांपल शो करे हैं कि प्रोफाइल पिक्चर के अंदर सिर्फ आपका फेस होना चाहिए, दैट शुड बी इजीली रिकॉग्नाइजेबल कि कौन वो प्रोफाइल कंप्लीटली आपका है एंड जो व्यूअर है वो इजीली रिकॉग्नाइज कर सके। एंड जो प्रोफाइल पिक्चर है वो ऐसा होना चाहिए कि जो आइकन जो है उसके अंदर 70% आपका फेस विजिबल हो एंड फोटोशॉप अगर ना किया जाए, लाइक देखने में इजीली रिकॉग्नाइज कर सके, दैट विल बी बेटर। और ओपन अपस्केलर हमने वेबसाइट यहाँ पर मेंशन किया है, वहां पर मतलब अगर अपना जो प्रोफाइल पिक्चर है उसको अपडेट कर सकते हैं और उसका यूज कर सकते हैं एक बेटर प्रोफाइल पिक्चर चूज करने के लिए।
या फॉर सैंपल
जैसे कि यहाँ शुभम की हम प्रोफाइल देख सकते हैं। हाँ, तो शुभम की जो प्रोफाइल है, शुभम ने काफी ईज मिलता है प्रोफाइल पिक्चर को देखकर और इजीली रिकॉग्नाइजेबल है। दैट सबसे बढ़िया चीज इस चीज की क्या है कि काफी रीसेंट पिक्चर है, तो रीसेंट पिक्चर अपलोड करें, ऐसा ना हो कि मतलब वो 2 साल पुरानी पिक्चर है, ताकि व्यूअर समझ ना पाए। देन आता है हमारे पास बैकग्राउंड। बैकग्राउंड अब आपको कैसा रखना है, बैकग्राउंड इस तरीके का रखें कि वो कंफ्यूजिंग ना हो, मतलब ज्यादा वर्ड्स उसके अंदर ना हो। अगर आपका कोई बिजनेस है या फिर कोई आपका यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म है या फिर कोई आपका और सोशल मीडिया हैंडल है, तो उसके बारे में आप लिखकर वहां पर प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। देन उसके बाद आता है हमारी प्रोफाइल के नीचे, जो हमारे नेम के जस्ट नीचे होता है, हाँ, ये है हमारा हेडलाइन। तो जो हेडलाइन है इसके अंदर ये इसका जो वर्ड लिमिट है, इसका हेडलाइन जो है इसका वर्ड लिमिट होता है 200 वर्ड्स। तो 200 वर्ड्स का वर्ड लिमिट है, देन यू हैव टू चूज इट केयरफुली। और इसके अंदर कोशिश करें कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा पहले एक लिस्ट बना लें कि जो आपके रीसेंट स्किल्स हैं या फिर जिन भी चीजों पे आप रिसेंटली काम कर रहे हैं उनको मेंशन करें। एंड नेक्स्ट चीज आता है हमारा ओपन टू। शुभम एक बार ओपन टू को क्लिक करना। देन ओपन टू जो ये ओपन टू ऑप्शन है इसके अंदर दो चीजें आती। तो इससे हमारा प्रोफाइल क्या होता है, एक अपडेट हो जाता है और ओपन टू हमारे प्रोफाइल पर शो होने लग जाता है दैट द पर्सन इज ओपन टू वर्क। एंड जो कोई आपकी प्रोफाइल को विजिट करता है तो उससे मतलब काफी इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है। एक कॉल टू एक्शन की तरह है ये कि सबसे पहले आपको दिखाई दे जाता है कि भाई ये पर्सन इस काम के लिए अवेलेबल है, देन यू कैन हायर। हेडलाइन का पार्ट डिस्कस कर लिया हमने। देन आता है हमारा समरी। समरी के अंदर क्या आता है, समरी जो होता है हमारा 2000 वर्ड का इसका वर्ड लिमिट है। तो समरी के बारे में, समरी लिखना कैसे उसके बारे में मैं बताती हूँ। समरी को लिखने के लिए क्या करना है आपको, सबसे जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है इस समरी को लिखने के लिए आपको सारी डिटेल्स मेंशन करनी है वहां पर भी अभी तक आपने वर्क किया है, या फिर जो भी बिजनेस अभी आप रन कर रहे हैं, या फिर जिस भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप काम कर रहे हैं। लाइक अगर आप वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल है,
you can basically showcase what project you are working on and what skills you know, those things if you are a student.
या तो लास्ट 3 to 4 प्रोजेक्ट जो पे आपने काम किया उसका जो एक्सपीरियंस था वो आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं। और उसके अंदर जो आपकी अकम्पलिशमेंट रही थी, लाइक आपको वहां पर अपना पहला गिग आपको वहां से मिला तो वो चीजें आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं। एंड सबसे बड़ी चीज जो इसके अंदर समरी के अंदर मेंशन करूंगी वो है CTC यानी कॉल टू एक्शन। अगर आपको कोई वेबसाइट है या कोई कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर है या फिर कोई आपका सोशल मीडिया हैंडल है या फिर जो भी कोई आपकी वेबसाइट है या फिर जहां पर आप सर्विसेज होस्ट कर रहे हैं उस चीज का आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं।
So for example you can see this profile, and one thing also I would recommend is to have your summary in third person, because when the other person reads that summary he or she reads from their perspective and not yours. So please avoid using active voice there and write it in the passive voice, which is basically third person. Like you can see, this guy has written it in the third person that Aditya holds the 4+ year experience of leading students community and all. So it's all about that. So basically it makes it much better when I read it, because when someone else is reading your profile, it's from their perspective and not from yours. So that's why writing it in the third person gives a better preference. Okay, let's move into the next section.
या नेक्स्ट सेक्शन एक बार दिखाना, PDF में दिखा दो नेक्स्ट सेक्शन क्या डिस्कस करना था।
It's open to, and then that's discussed actually. So after that we have how to get leads.
Open to हाँ हमने डिस्कस कर लिया।
How to get good connections.
How to get good connections. How to get good connections यानी देखो अभी जो सभी जो यहाँ पर हैं सभी फ्रेशर्स होंगे मेरे हिसाब से, तो इसके बारे में मैं डिस्कस करूंगी कि स्टार्ट कैसे करना है आपको। शुरुआत में अगर आप अभी आप लर्निंग स्टेज पर हैं तो आपको क्या करना है, जिन भी लोगों का फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, उनकी जो पोस्ट है उन पर पॉजिटिव कमेंट्स लिख सकते हैं, सो दैट जो आपकी प्रोफाइल का विजिबिलिटी है वो बढ़ जाए। सो लाइक अगर आप कोई पॉजिटिव कमेंट लिखते हैं या फिर अपने व्यूज वहां पर प्रेजेंट करते हैं, देन पीपल व्यू योर प्रोफाइल एंड देन दे सी दैट व्हाट दिस पर्सन इज टेलिंग एंड इनका पर्सपेक्टिव क्या है। और क्या कर सकते हैं आप, कीप अपग्रेडिंग योर स्किल्स एंड अपडेट योर प्रोफाइल। यानी कि जो भी आप नई रीसेंट स्किल्स सीख रहे हैं, जो भी अगर आपने कोई कोर्स किया है, देन डू रेफर इट ऑन लिंक्डइन। यानी कि अभी मैंने देखा था कि लोग क्या करते हैं, अगर आपने कोई भी आपने कोर्स ज्वाइन किया है, जैसे अभी आपने सेशन अटेंड किया है, यू कैन मेंशन दैट ऑन लिंक्डइन दैट आई हैव अटेंडेड DevBoard ऑन सेशन ऑन लिंक्डइन। सो ये एक तरीके से आपकी रीच बढ़ाएगा एंड देन जो आपकी एक्टिविटी है वो रीसेंट एक्टिविटीज को शो करेगा कि आप रिसेंटली आपने क्या एक्टिविटी फॉर्म की।
So it's like this, you can say like everyone can see what activity you are doing. So it's a professional profile, so it's better to not do anything else. Okay, so be authentic here. Like you can see this guy profiles, what he is doing is that basically they are liking and responding to what the content they think is better. Like you can see this is someone else content and he commented a very good comment, and he reposted his what do you call that, he reposted his post, so that's increased his views. Okay, so that increases the content reach of this user.
Then नेक्स्ट थिंग आती है आस्क देम, जो आपकी ये चीज नेक्स्ट थिंग मैं डिस्कस करूंगी कि डोंट फॉरगेट द क्लाइंट्स यू वर्क विद। अगर आपने कोई सर्विस प्रोवाइड की है, लाइक आपने किसी के लिए वेब पेज बनाया है, कोई वेबसाइट आपने डिजाइन की है, और उस चीज को 2-3 महीने हो चुके हैं, देन आप उनसे दोबारा कांटेक्ट कीजिए एंड उनसे फीडबैक लीजिए, सो दैट वो क्लाइंट ये समझ पाएगा कि आप जो है अपने वर्क को लेके सीरियस है, एंड वो आपको क्या कर सकते हैं, इस चीज के लिए एंडोर्स कर सकते हैं जब आपको उनके साथ एक टच बना के रखेंगे कि भाई आप अपने काम के लिए सीरियस है एंड यू वांट टू नो कि वो प्रोजेक्ट अभी किस तरीके से काम कर रहा है। सो ट्राई टू गेट फीडबैक्स नो मैटर इट्स पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव। तो इससे क्या होगा, एक तो जो कनेक्शन है आपके वो स्मूथ रहेंगे,
Like,
आपको
see,
पता लगता रहेगा कि अगर आपके काम में कोई गलती थी तो वो उसको आपको कैसे ठीक करना है। एक बार इंडोर्स का ऑप्शन दिखा दो शुभ।
yeah, like this is the profile of Aditya Kanodia. Oh, actually, it's click on. Let me just a second. Oh, sorry. So, like this, is the profile of Aditya Kanodia. You can see that he has different skills. Let's say if I want to endorse this startup development, I can simply click endorse, and then now it will show like 8 endorsements, and it's basically a proof that whatever you skill you are presenting on the LinkedIn is actually you have applied it somewhere and someone found it very useful. So that's why they are suggesting that yeah, you are good at this skill. So that increases the value of that skill.
तो एंडोर्समेंट से क्या होता है, जितने ज्यादा एंडोर्समेंट आपके पास रहेंगे इसका मतलब ये शो कर रहा है कि आपको कितने लोग चाहते हैं कि आप इस काम को फर्दर इस स्किल को लेकर कॉन्फिडेंट है, एंड अगर कोई पर्सन चाहता है कि रिलायबिलिटी बढ़ती है कि दैट या वी आर रेफरिंग दिस पर्सन फॉर दिस वर्क, सो एंडोर्समेंट आप चाहे तो अपने फ्रेंड से करवा सकते हैं या फिर जो आपके प्रीवियस क्लाइंट्स हैं वो आपको एंडोर्समेंट प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। देन आता है व्हाट शुड आई पोस्ट। सबसे जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है लिंक्डइन का वो है कि आपको पोस्ट क्या करना है। तो सबसे पहले तो ये प्रोफेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म है, तो कोई ऐसी चीजें ना पोस्ट करें जो कि आपकी एकदम पर्सनल लाइफ से रिलेटेड है। आप अपने अकम्पलिशमेंट जो है उनको शो कर सकते हैं। पोस्ट योर लर्निंग फ्रॉम अ कोर्स यू हैव कंप्लीटेड, ये हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है। आस्क क्वेश्चन लाइक व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट दिस, लाइक अगर आपको कोई पोस्ट है, सबसे ज्यादा जो फॉलोअर्स हैं लिंक्डइन पर वो है हमारे पास टेडेक्स के एंड वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फॉर्म, तो उसके ऊपर अगर उन्होंने कोई पोस्ट डाला है तो देन आप उसको रीपोस्ट कर सकते हैं एंड उसके बारे में अपनी ऑडियंस से पूछ सकते हैं, अपने कनेक्शन से पूछ सकते हैं कि आप इसके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं। एंड जो आपकी पोस्ट है उसके अंदर एक क्वेश्चन इंक्लूड होना चाहिए ताकि जो कमेंट है उसके अंदर एक्टिविटी बढ़ सके कि और लोग अपने व्यूज वहां पर प्रेजेंट कर सके। फिर आता है इंक्लूड हैंडल्स ऑफ द पीपल यू आर रेफरिंग टू, उन लोगों के हैंडल्स को इंक्लूड करें कि जिन लोगों के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं या फिर जिस भी पर्सन को आप रेफर करना चाह रहे हैं या फिर जो भी पर्सन उस पर्टिकुलर डोमेन से रिलेटेड है। तो इससे क्या होगा, मे बी आप वो जिसका नाम आपने मेंशन किया है वो आपकी प्रोफाइल रेफर ना करे, बट इससे क्या होगा आपकी जो ऑथेंटिसिटी है वो एक बढ़ेगी आपकी पोस्ट की, और वो देखने में काफी ज्यादा एक रिलायबल पोस्ट एज्यूम होगा। फिर आता है इंक्लूड कीवर्ड्स। कीवर्ड्स जो चीज है यहाँ पर हमने कई बार मेंशन की है, तो कीवर्ड्स के लिए उबर सर्च एक वेबसाइट है, वहां पर जाकर आप जो सबसे ट्रेंडी कीवर्ड्स हैं वहां पर जाकर आप देख सकते हैं। वहां पर आपको क्या करना है, वेबसाइट का नाम मेंशन करना है और वहां पर उसके बारे में आपको कीवर्ड्स मिल जाएंगे कि उस पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट के लिए क्या कीवर्ड्स जो है सबसे ज्यादा ट्रेंड कर रहे हैं या फिर ओवरऑल इंटरनेट पर भी कौन से कीवर्ड्स हैं जो ट्रेंड कर रहे हैं। तो वो कीवर्ड्स आप इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं एंड डू मेक अ लिस्ट बिफोर राइटिंग द पोस्ट कि आपको किस तरह के कीवर्ड्स जो है इंक्लूड करने हैं। या तो जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी है यहाँ पर आप सर्च कर सकते हैं तो आपको उससे रिलेटेड कंटेंट मिल जाएगा और उसका जो उस कीवर्ड का पर्टिकुलर कौन सा कीवर्ड सबसे ज्यादा यूजफुल रहेगा वो कीवर्ड आप यूज कर सकते हैं। जैसे पर्टिकुलर डोमेन के लिए जो सबसे ज्यादा हाईली यूज कीवर्ड है वो आप यूज करें अपने पोस्ट में तो वो ज्यादा प्रेफरेबल रहेगा।
Actually, it's taking longer to load. I don't know why. So basically, you can do this. They will suggest, like you can see that SEO difficulty is 0, means adding a tag name. Tag with technology will not at all cause any problem with the SEO. Means your pages will be ranked easily. Means anyone can easily search and view your posts.
नेक्स्ट थिंग आता है गिव क्रेडिबिलिटी टू अदर्स पोस्ट ऑल्सो, यानी कि आपको दूसरों की जो प्रोफाइल है, यानी कि जो भी आपके कनेक्शंस हैं या फिर जो आपके फॉलोअर्स हैं, उनकी प्रोफाइल पर भी आप विजिट कर सकते हैं और उनकी जो पोस्ट है उनको भी रीड आउट करके वहां पर थम्स अप दे सकते हैं, या फिर अपने व्यूज लाइक यू आर राइट और इस तरह के कमेंट लिख सकते हैं। देन आता है यहाँ पर मैंने एक चीज मेंशन की है, काइली जेनर इज नॉट ऑन लिंक्डइन, एक काफी फनी चीज है। तो इसका मतलब क्या है, जो मतलब इस पर्सन का नाम मैंने इसलिए मेंशन किया पर्टिकुलरली बिकॉज दे हैव द मोस्ट रीच ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, लाइक 273 मिलियन प्लस फॉलोअर्स हैं इनके। लाइक जो एक्टिव यूजर्स हैं लिंक्डइन पर, दे हैव द फॉलोअर्स ऑन लिंक्डइन, सॉरी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। तो मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि जो कंटेंट आप इंस्टाग्राम पर देख रहे हैं वो एकदम टोटली डिफरेंट है जो कंटेंट आप लिंक्डइन पर देखेंगे। तो बी प्रोफेशनल अबाउट योर कंटेंट एंड बी ऑथेंटिक कि आप क्या पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, और ऐसी चीजें ना पोस्ट करें जो कि कंट्रोवर्शियल हो सकती है। लाइक किसी स्टेटमेंट के बारे में अगर आप श्योर नहीं है तो उसके बारे में पहले रिसर्च करें एंड उसके बारे में पहले श्योर हो जाए, ताकि आपकी प्रोफाइल पर नेगेटिव कमेंट्स ना आए और आपकी जो ऑडियंस है वो आपके ऊपर रिलाई कर सके। तो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट कि आपको प्रोफाइल सेटअप कैसे करना है। अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं आप।
So if anyone is having any question, any query about how to set up their LinkedIn profile, you can ask any question. Yeah. Go ahead.
Can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
I have to ask, like when you open LinkedIn, how if like I am in college and I am in second year, I'm not a fresher, and currently I cannot apply for any internship, right? Because all of the internships want at least third year students.
Okay, so first
So,
of
as I go on LinkedIn, what should my approach be? Should it just be to get as much knowledge?
So first of all, LinkedIn is not just about jobs and internships. What LinkedIn does is LinkedIn provides you a space where you can connect with the best of the minds in the corporate world. So like, see, when I was in 12th, I built my LinkedIn profile, and at that time, I knew nothing about LinkedIn. I knew nothing about technology. I mean, I literally knew nothing about this. I just came to know about LinkedIn is such a platform which helps you increase your connections, and I built that. And at that time, I just wrote here like student at this school. So it's not like that you need something already built so that you can start LinkedIn profile. Basically, you need to do action now. Whenever you enter your college or whenever you came to know about, just go for it, create your LinkedIn profile. And basically what LinkedIn profile creation will do, that it will force you to do some best. It will force you that, yeah, I have some professional profile here. Some professional people are looking into it. They are viewing it. And I need to work hard to improve the profile so that it will force you to do the best. Okay.
So, Shubham, I want to add there, लाइक अगर आप अभी जस्ट आपने कॉलेज स्टार्ट किया है तो आप जो एंट्री लेवल फिल्टर सर्च का जो ऑप्शन है उसमें, तो उसमें एक बार फिल्टर सर्च का ऑप्शन दिखा दो शुभम।
Okay, so let's just search once and just a second. There you can go to all filters, and in the filters I can just add here industry, job function,
experience level पे click करना एक बार शुभम।
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah. So there is entry level option. So entry level basically are those who are just starting out. They have no prior experience. Okay. So it's for basically first year, second year students only.
Yeah, in initial you can try जो unpaid internship है वो आप try कर सकते हैं, and you can add these things, these projects on your resume, so to make a strong profile. बाद में अगर आपको पे नहीं मिल रहा है, like आपकी जो hourly income है वो अगर कम भी है, that's okay, because आप शुरुआत में experience gain करने की कोशिश करें और अपना जो
like you can see all of my experiences are
project के ऊपर काम करने की कोशिश करें।
This is unpaid.
Yeah.
Hi, this is a quick question.
This is unpaid. This is unpaid. Only this one is paid. So it's not like, basically you need to work. You need to showcase the work, what you're doing. It will add to your skills, and other will know like what exactly you know, and that's why they will hire you for whatever work they need. So someone is asking something.
Yeah, actually, could you share your LinkedIn?
Actually, it's my LinkedIn only. Oh, you need the link?
No.
Profile link.
Yeah, the link. Can you share that?
Yeah. Yeah, you all can connect with me. Any other question, or we should move over to the Notion part? Just raise your hand if anyone is having any question or queries.
जो भी जिन मेंबर्स ने भी ज्वाइन किया है वो अपना ग्रुप पे लिंक्डइन का लिंक ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं, सो दैट अदर पीपल कैन आल्सो कम्युनिकेट एंड व्यू योर प्रोफाइल, एंड इट विल आल्सो जनरेट सम लीड टुवर्ड्स दैट। एंड आप रेफर कर इस जो आपने सेशन अटेंड किया है उसका लिंक भी आप अपनी प्रोफाइल में मेंशन कर सकते हैं।
Okay,
आपने
Abhishek, go ahead. What was you asking?
Yeah, Shubham. Actually, I want to ask about the summary section. I am first year student,
Yeah.
and I'm also handling my coding club page on LinkedIn.
Okay.
So I think I have connected to you already on LinkedIn.
Okay.
As far I know.
That's
If
great.
not, I will connect today.
Okay.
I want to know about the summary section. How you mention the things like Mamos telling you there is 2,000 word limit and you have to like
Actually,
tell about your work.
so see, there is no such hard and fast rule.
एक बार नील पटेल का जो वो है ना
Basically-
लिंक्डइन ओपन कर दो,
Yeah, let me just.
वो उसका मतलब काफी अच्छा लिखा हुआ है उन्होंने।
So basically, what you see that mine is also just 2 lines. So actually, this doesn't matter at all. Basically, it's useful when you are applying for some other on-campus employments and all. So I don't think like for a first year student you need to focus this on you can just add a basic introduction, and I can show you a lot of people who are just having a basic introduction. But as you gain more skills, you can add those into your introduction. Like you can see this profile as well.
समरी को टाइम टू टाइम अपडेट करते रहो कि जो भी
Yeah.
आपने स्किल्स अक्वायर किए हैं या फिर जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके रीसेंट थे उनको ऐड करते रहो समरी में बस।
So you can see that like this.
शुरुआत में शॉर्ट रख सकते हैं।
So basically, Aditya Kanodia is having experience in management and HR work. So he has added this thing, like he's having 4+ years of experience in leading a student community. He's the CEO and founder of an early stage startup Efigra community, people officer at XRDI. And what is passion? He's also about like what he's interested in. So he's interested in education, finances, and all. And let's do file of Neil Patel as well. So this is Neil Patel, co-founder of Uber Suggest as well, I guess. Okay. So you can see his summary. He's having this thing. So this is, I guess, the perfect summary. But I will suggest to have it in the third person, like he's having in the first person. But you can see that on the LinkedIn, you find most of the experts are having it in the third person. And the reason I already told that it basically gives a viewer a better experience as they are reading it from their perspective and not from your perspective. Okay.
Yeah. तो इसकी नील पटेल की समरी में लास्ट में देखना आप इन्होंने क्या किया, अपना जो ऑफिशियल बिजनेस लिंक है वो मेंशन किया है, तो आप कॉल टू एक्शन ऐड कर सकते हैं, लाइक अपनी वेबसाइट का लिंक, सो दैट जो समरी रीड कर रहा है पर्सन ही गेट अ क्लियर आइडिया अबाउट हाउ टू कॉन्टेक्ट यू। सो वो चीज आप यहाँ पर मेंशन कर सकते हैं।
ओके शुभम, सोम सर एक और डाउट था लाइक मुझे कि जो ओपन टू था, जैसे मैं फर्स्ट ईयर का हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली बात है आई डोंट हैव दैट मच स्किल, तो ओपन टू में मैं क्या लाइक आगे मुझे क्या ऐड करना चाहिए या फिर मतलब मुझे कैसे गाइड करो, मुझे क्या करना है?
देखिए अभी आप जो भी स्किल्स गेन कर रहे हैं आप स्किल पे फोकस कीजिए, एंड जैसे ही आप किसी भी स्किल में इस लेवल पे आ जाते हैं कि आप बेसिक 2-3 प्रोजेक्ट्स बना सकते हैं खुद से हेल्प है, मतलब विदाउट एनी एक्सटर्नल हेल्प. So then you can add whatever you want in the open to section. Okay, so like let's say you studied about web development or actually just front-end development, and now you are able to build some of the projects from your own without any external help. So then you can go to open to section, and in the open to section you can go to providing services, and in the providing services section you can explain what you know. Like basically you will tell that yeah, I'm a front-end developer and I know these skills. I have built this much projects, so I want to hire. I want to get hired, and these are my preferences about salary and all. So or internship or whatever you want. Okay, so you will have the option to adjust everything. But as of now, if you're not having any a skill which you are confident enough to be marketed, so I would suggest that wait, learn a new skill, and once you are confident enough that yeah, it's marketable, go for it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, welcome. Anyone else? Okay, so let's move ahead to the Notion part. So let me introduce Notion to you all. So what Notion is that Notion is a productivity tool. It basically provides you a simple platform to manage all your tasks, your study notes, your project structure. It helps you manage your project like tasks and all. It helps you basically prioritize what work you want to do and have a clear view about your tasks. So let's just load. Let me go to my home profile. So let's say inside that you have some options. So basically this one is the, so if you create a new account on Notion, yes, someone, anyone of you can just create a screen and create a new account. Jatin there? Okay, no issue. Let's continue. So basically, whenever you create a new Notion account, I will suggest to create it with your college email ID. As when you create the Notion account with your college email ID, you get their subscription for free. Basically the paid plan, you get that for free if you are using an educational account. Okay, so basically you will get this plan for free if you are using college email ID. Okay, so now comes, like, I don't think so. Like if you do it with the personal email ID, the free plan is more than enough for you. So it provides you with a lot of options. So let's go and check out each and every. First of all, you can add any number of pages from here. Every page can have any number of sub pages. So let's say this is my page which I want to showcase to other people as my portfolio. So I can add some of the, like, anything here. So I can simply go type / for additional commands. I can add to-do list, I can add headings, I can add bulleted lists, tables, quotes. So let's say add a quote that I am, or honesty is the best policy. Let's say add it for now. Honesty is the best policy, just for example. You can add some quotes. You can add a lot of things, like you can add drive files. You can add a lot of integrations from here. You can attach your Figma files. You can attach emojis. You can even write inline equations. So these are a lot of things. But if you, let's say I want to share it, this page as a portfolio, so I can simply share, and on the share part, I can just share it to the web. What the share it to the web means that I can make it a public website. So basically a Notion page can be simply redesigned into a public website, which is fully functional. You can check out from your site, like it will be it's a complete website you can explore. So Notion is a one and all tool. So let me just go to the next part, which is notes. You can take notes in your class, or quick notes, basically to remind everything. Let's say this was, I guess, one of the classes which I took in the college for our exams. Then there is this folder, like these are some of the predefined folders. You can have any number of things, and you can add any number of pages. Like let's say I want to add a new page inside that. I can simply type / and go to page. Doing this will create a new page which I can write any content. I can go with an empty page. I can go with a template. So let's say I want to add a template about project management. I can go to the student dashboard. Like this is a student dashboard template which helps you manage all of your like study related stuff. Like you can manage all your courses here in the tabular format. Okay, you can add your to-dos in the this format. Okay, then there's a clubs and personal projects and all you're using. There's a class notes template which you can use for taking your class notes subject wise. So let's say you took this note, you take this note, and you can click, like you can categorize like what type of notes you are taking. You can add some additional materials, and it automatically adds the date, so you don't need to add any date and all. You can have your schedule here predefined so that you don't miss any of your task. Okay. Then there is a grade calculator, and there are a whole lot of templates you can use. So let's say you are using this student dashboard template. So you want to use this template, you can simply go and get template option. When you just click the get template, you will get the template here. Let's just wait. It's taking longer. Student dashboard. Okay, so now we have this template here. Now we can simply customize what we need. So let's say I want to add some courses here. So I can simply go here, add a new button, and I can add a new course here which I want. Okay. And I can customize the fields as well. Like you can see that every course is having some predefined fields. A course here is having a course role, code, having a professor name, having a year and some tag. It's having a homework. What are the homeworks related to this attached to this course? It's having the to-dos related to this course. So also having the question like different categories, syllabus, questions, readings, notes, all the whole lot of stuffs. So I can simply go, let's say I want to add this professor name section. I can just right click here and edit property. I can make it something instead of text. I can make it like multi-select. So multi-select, I can add like this options. It will suggest, or you can add any other option from your choice. You can hide this property and you can customize it free to the fullest. Like you want to move this cross professor to the last option. You want to move homework to the top or anything like that. Now Notion, like this customization, you can add any icon of your choice here. You can add any pages here. So let's actually move to the to-do part. The to-dos part, you can add tasks you want to do. Like let's say you want to having a midterm. Actually, I'm having also my midterm tomorrow. So let's say you want to have a midterm and you want to add it to your task so that you don't forget about what are your new next exam and what you need to prepare. Like basically, let's say in the midterm you want about the calculus. So you can simply go to the calculus part and this is having a complete page here, which you have added. And now in the calculus part, you have all the details like instructor, office hours, like whom to contact about if you have any doubts and all. So all the things are there. Other than that, the dashboard template also provides you with a club section. Like if you are a, let's say club of robotics club, so you can just go for it and add anything you want about this club here. So you can have like it's your own club. So you can say that club mission, members, idea. So basically you can organize everything of your life in this. It's a whole, what is say that? It's a one and all tool to manage everything. And the best part is that you don't mess up anything. You can have different folder like structure for managing all this stuff. Okay. So this provides you with a lot of flexibility. Like it gives you a proper website experience, like you are having a personal website. So let's say where's the student dashboard option? Let me just go there. Okay, where did I edit it? Student dashboard. Okay, it's here. Personal home. Okay, inside personal home, this became a folder when I added a sub page, and then in the inside student dashboard, I can simply just search over it. The next option is if you shift Control K, you get a very powerful search engine. And through this, you can search every single piece of your data. Let's say you want to search about the calculus thing, which you just saw. You can even search inside that. And let's say like some any related thing. So inside the calculus one, you saw that there are a whole lot of stuff. Here there are some books referred. Here are basically notes, reading, question, and syllabus. So you have the notes option, note section. You can go to the notes part and add all your notes here. And let's say you want to add a new note, simply just click new. You get a whole page. I want to add a test note. You want to add the type of, let's say, type lecture or material, or you want to add some material. You can upload any file and all. If it's reviewed and all, you can just check it out. You can you want to add more properties. You can just add a new property. And then you simply write like this is a test. This is a test note. And boom, you are done. Test note. And simply you go here, hide it, and you have a clear view of all the notes here. So these are additional material, and you can simply click here, any one of the right click open, and just you have it here. So these are all of the features inside Notion. Actually, it's a whole lot of big tools, so I can't explain everything in one go. But what Notion is all about is basically it gives you a full website like experience of managing everything in your life. You want to add, you can add a folder like structure. You can add any content like type here. You can you can even add logics, like you want to add, you want to create your, let's say attendance body for yourself. Every day you go and just mark like I'm present. And then you want to calculate. So you can even do calculate like unchecked. You want to, this is some of the check. So you want to create how many of the percentage of the boxes are checked. So you can simply just calculate and it will show that, yeah, 28% of the boxes are checked. And if you calculate like 2 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it will give you only 28%. So you can even add some logical calculations there. So you don't need to just search and like find everything in yourself. Then you can add different views for your boards. Like you want to add a grid view. So you want to see all your notes in a grid. You can simply go and add a gallery view so that you can take a look in the gallery view. You want to add it in the calendar view. Like you want to know when I added that note or when I added this note. You can simply go to the calendar view. And once you scroll here at the top, you can see different pages, different dates, basically calendar. Inside the calendar, you can add tasks from here inside the calendar only on a specific date. Okay, you can scroll from here. You can change it to the month view or something like that. You can add some filter here if you want to filter content. And then the most important thing is that you have the template option, and you can also templatize your pages as well. So basically you can use your pages as a template. So let's say you want to use any of the pages as a template. You can just go to see. Oh, sorry, that's a different page, I guess. You need to go to a Notion template option, and there you can like just export this page as PDF, HTML, or Markdown, and you can upload that in the Notion template directory. And basically you can market your template, Notion template as well. So let's say you created a very beautiful template for managing a person business, let's say startup. To manage a startup, you created a very awesome template, and now you want to earn some passive income. So you can simply go to the Notion template websites, Notion templates, and there you can actually host your Notion template and earn every time someone uses your Notion template. So it gives you a passive income as well. So this is the Notion template gallery, and you can see there only it's not only like you can sell this on Notion only. You can sell it on a lot of websites. A lot of websites are there where you can sell your notes. Like there is Invato Market. There is Gumroad, and there are a lot of websites where you can actually sell your Notion templates. And I can show you some of the templates which are highly paid, like paid Notion templates. So as a student, you can also use Notion as a side business, like to earn some passive income. Like this is the website notiontemplates.tech, and what they do is that basically they sell Notion templates. Because every Notion also gives you freedom to integrate it with a lot of websites. Let's say I wanna integrate it with my embed, so I can integrate it with the Google Drive. I can embed in Tweet. I can integrate with GitHub. For those who don't know GitHub, we are soon having a session on the GitHub next week. So we'll introduce what is GitHub and what is gist and everything in that. Then you can also include interactive maps. You can include designs, and there are a whole lot of apps you can integrate with Notion. So this basically gives you freedom to look into all your apps at just one single place. So that's why. And if you see this website, you can see that there are a whole lot of paid Notion templates. Let it load. So let it load. Why it's taking longer? Load, brother. Let's say you have a startup. You wanna add some template for startup, and okay, startup. There are 3. So Notion will help you grow. मेरे नेट क्या हो गया भाई? Why it's not working? Showing 1 of the 24. Let's go home, yeah. Let me just show you some other website. I don't know why it's not working. It's not loading here. Notion paid templates. Okay. There you can also sell your Notion templates for free. Notion template marketplace. Okay, so see, there it is. You can see that this Notion template is of $99. So every time anyone buys your Notion template for their own purpose, you get $99. So you can, and of course, this matters. Like you can't just create any simple Notion template and just sell it. You need to create some valuable template which is useful to other people's. Like you can see that this is Notion Startup OS, that's $79, and there are a whole lot of other templates. So you can also build apps for Notion. which you can basically integrate your all other websites. So the embed feature basically is a very powerful feature which helps you include other apps. Like on the main website, you can see that I have embedded my biolink page. This is my biolink page which I have embedded here, and now I don't need to send people to my biolink page every time to showcase any extra thing. As you know that on biolink I can already add links, but on Notion I can add anything. Means I can add text, I can add images, videos, footer, header, and a whole lot of things. I can create a complete website without any coding, and you know that's so cool. So I guess that's so. And also there is a team space option. The team space option provides you another folder for your team, specifically for your team. So I am having a folder for my community where I manage every page is related to my community, and also it's like that. So you can the personal plan and the team plan is basically different, that you can add collaborators. So other team members can also edit at the same time from the team space part, and these are private part which are only visible to you. But of course you can add share temporarily to others. So is there anything anyone wants to ask? Why any link shared in chat is not working? It's on here. You can just I guess type Abhishek. You can just copy the link and paste it in the browser. Maybe that it works. So
I'm
that's all
unable
about
to paste
Notion.
actually.
Yeah, okay, bolo.
I'm unable to paste link. Actually, it's not getting pasted up.
Right click,
Like,
copy link, go here, paste it, enter. I hope you guys are having a Notion account.
yes, I don't have.
Okay, so you need to create a Notion account. You can just directly go to their website and sign up. If you sign up with your college email ID, you will get the paid plan for free. And if you just sign up with your personal email ID, you also can enjoy the free plan, which is, I know, I that's enough for the personal use. More than enough. So you can see that.
That means we can use IITM official.
Yeah, you can use
email.
any college email ID. They recognize a whole lot of. They are registered with I guess 5 million plus colleges across the whole world.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone else having any questions about Notion? Like, this is such a powerful tool which I can't I can't say how much better it is, how much simplified it has made my life. Like, you can see your schedule here. You can just create your schedule like, this was just fun. You can add like contacts here, like, people's contacts. You can add your reading list, what you are reading, books and all. You can add your notes thing here. And a whole lot of things. Of course, you can add templates, which I already said that like there are the template market there are a whole lot of templates. You can go for the community part. Okay, so I guess anyone is not having.
I have one doubt regarding passive income generation from Notion template. What was that like? I want to know about
I said that in Notion you can create templates. So like I used this student dashboard template. You saw that I used the student dashboard template. Yeah. So what this template does for me, it basically adds a very ease. Like it's already has a pre-created database for courses, which I can simply go and click on new button and add courses. It already has the to-do list, which I can simply just create a new new task and add it to-do list. I don't need to do anything. It has a page for my clubs. It has a page for managing my personal project, and it has a lot of things others as well to manage my courses and all. So it adds a value to me. So why as a consumer, I would not like to use this template instead of creating my own? Yeah. So if someone has already done the better work for you, of course you will go for that. You will use the template. Okay. So if you also from your side create a template which helps people add some value, like you want to manage a very complex project in Notion. Okay. So you will go and create a whole set of databases. You will create a whole set of pages, and you will create a template for yourself. But if that useful to you, maybe it could be useful to others as well. So then what you can do, you can sell it on different Notion template marketplaces, like the one I showed recently. And at those marketplaces, every time someone buys your Notion template, you get the money. So that way you can earn some passive income as well from the Notion.
Thanks for this.
Yeah.
This was nice actually.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Of course, it's nice. Like Notion is such a free tool, and even it's free, you can also make some money with it. Like you don't need to pay anything. Instead, you are just earning from Notion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice idea. Thanks for this.
Yeah. And yeah, of course, if you are really interested in making templates, I will suggest not to make templates for common people. Make template for businesses. Okay, so Notion like a business can pay you a lot. Like they are already willing to pay for templates, but a personal like a user as I don't think I will ever go to buy a template. Instead, I can create my own. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you are even if you are just looking into it, I will suggest to go with business templates to manage business projects and solving problems in your business, not in the personal like.
Or that first we have to see like pages, how the business pages are designed.
Yeah, you can actually go, as I already said, that you can just search for Notion templates or Notion paid templates, and you can take inspiration from there. There you can find a whole lot of templates which are literally very useful. So let me just show you some examples. Like what the second brain Notion template does, you can simply go here, check it. This is a description. Like this template is used as a tool to apply the second brain methodology of storing your ideas for later use. So what this template does is, let me explain. This template provides you a collective place to manage everything in your life, like what courses you are doing, what languages you are learning, what music you wanna listen. So everything you are doing in your daily life, you can manage it easily here in this template. So of course, this template is adding a value to a person who wants to manage his time efficiently. So if I am a busy person, I want to manage my time, I will go for it. I will just buy it for $10. No issue. Same for like Notion Startup OS. What Notion Startup OS does is it creates a simple landing, a template. This template gives you the access to all the tools you need to manage your team. You need to manage your startup, and you need to manage your clients, businesses, documentations, guides, and everything else. So, like you say in the description, the fastest way and easiest way to plan, launch, and manage your startup. And of course, if it's a startup, it can easily provide you with $79. There is no harm in that. Yeah. Same is for like, you can see a lot of templates. You can, there is some trial option on some websites where you can just give a trial of these templates, or you can like go to the free template section where you can get inspiration.
Shubham, I want to add there, you were telling about creating templates. I have used that idea. Like you can visit the cafes and some shops near you, and you can create the template and take the printout of that, and you can sell them out in offline mode, and you can also generate revenue from that also.
Yeah,
like some eatery shops, you can some menus for some cafes and some landing pages for some holding pages for that they can put outside the shop, and you can sell them out on some 50 to 70 page 70 for per design, and can generate a first revenue, and can get to know quickly that what is the response and how creative are you in generating the templates. Because when you go to sell out, you can when you sell that, and you want to know that how much are they ready to pay, you can easily understand what are the wrong thing about the template you had created, and it is a very quick way to know that how the template is working. So you can try this if you are serious about creating template and selling them out on Notion.
Yeah, of course. And one more thing, if you are just trying it in your locality, you can go to local shops and do this. But of course, if you are doing it for first time, I suggest just give them some 1 to 2 free templates, and then go for like if they just take their feedback about what the value the template added to their work, and then you can charge themselves. Okay, like you don't go first and say that I'm having this template, just pay for me, and okay, you first need to give some free opportunities to people. Okay.
It's a nice suggestion actually.
Yeah. So I guess anyone else having any doubt? You all can explore Notion from your side. It has having a lot of features which you can try.
When the next session about GitHub is coming, like
Next Sunday, it's 14. Actually 14 or 15. It's next Sunday is 15. Yeah, it's on 15. 15, yeah. Okay, guys, so let's wrap up the session. I hope the session added some value to everyone's. Everyone can just take a screenshot. All of you guys can take a screenshot, post on LinkedIn. It will increase your add to your value to your profile. You can post it on Instagram, Twitter, anywhere social media, and just tag us. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.